Hello everyone, and welcome to our fourth course of the Construction Management Specialization by Columbia University.
Remember that the job of the industry, of the engineering and construction industry, is about people.
Utilize the model for logistics planning. So here's an example right here. What's happening is that this is a baggage handling device.
Just because somebody else had a successful design, bid, build job doesn't mean that you will.
Change in the project. So we set out certain
A, C, E, and G. This is the second path.
And delivering back to the project team, this is what I foresee. This is what I'm forecasting.
Purchasing is the payment. This is very important. Packages or sub-work packages in the lower levels of the hierarchy.
Value engineering happens on a project. We design, we blow the budget, we then value engineer and
need to focus towards the code
Work. So if I want to make D, E, F, and G, for example, as part of another work breakdown structure, so I can call it.
So welcome to the course and wish you all the best.